Hi, I'm Raymond Dillulio of the Eck & Gomes team at Douglas Elliman, and welcome to 181 President Street in the heart of Carroll Gardens, one of Brooklyn's most desirable and iconic neighborhoods. So this home is 35 foot wide and offers a rare blend of industrial edge and modern luxury inside and out. Let's take a look. This unique home was designed by Workshop DA and spans well over 5,000 square feet. From the brick and walnut facade to the sculptural steel staircase and herringbone wood floors, every inch is carefully curated. It is one of the most thoughtfully designed homes I've ever seen. Let me show you why. Behold the living room. In a home filled with extraordinary spaces, this living room is a true showstopper. It's over 20 feet wide and has soaring 12-foot ceilings, with enough wall space for the most discerning art collector. There's a gas fireplace flanked by thoughtful built-ins and an easy open flow to the dining area. The stylish design is the perfect synthesis of form and function, where every detail tells a story. Check out these industrial-style casement windows that flood the place in natural light. And they completely open up for a seamless transition between your living room and your expansive patio. Who needs the Hamptons when you have this slice of paradise right here in Brooklyn? Invite everyone. It is an entertainer's dream. It's surrounded by a custom wood privacy fence and lush plantings that offer a rare blend of openness and intimacy. On one end, a built-in stainless steel grilling station makes summer barbecues a breeze. On the other, a sleek modular lounge setup invites you to kick back, relax, and soak in the sun. And for some shade, there's even a pergola. This custom-designed chef's kitchen is where clean lines, natural materials, and clever design come together in perfect harmony. The centerpiece is this Nublano stone island with built-in gas cooktop, ideal for flambeing with flair for your friends. The high-gloss cabinets are framed with rich wood detail, and the best appliances that money can buy are subtly built into the cabinets. And with east and west exposure, the kitchen is filled with natural light all day long. And there's even enough room for counter seating and a breakfast nook. Whether whipping up a quick snack or hosting a dinner party, this kitchen sets the scene perfectly. When heading up to your primary bedroom, you could take this grand staircase or your own private elevator, and it goes from the roof to the garage, and I did say garage. The entire top floor is your primary suite. It includes a library with a wet bar, a spa-like bath, and this tranquil bedroom. The western exposure means beautiful light all day, especially in the evenings. And you have views from downtown Brooklyn to downtown Manhattan. Other features include a handsome walk-in closet, a skylit shower, and a freestanding soaking tub. But the best part of this house might just be the roof, with the open city views that are insane. That's the place for the ultimate nightcap. .181 President isn't just a house, it is a statement. It is a forever home in one of New York's most special neighborhoods. Thanks for coming. See you next time.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.